Hey guys, it's Danny at West Coast Sweaty Moss. We're here today to talk about the leg lift posture. It is such an amazing posture for your abdominal core workout. It really works the entire core, but also focuses on that lower core, getting rid of that little pooch that we like to get rid of. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you're going to turn around, lay back on your mat, lay back on the mat, let the arms come long, and lift the chest and shoulders off the mat. Keep the chin slightly tucked. Lock the knees, point the toes, lift the feet up towards the ceiling. To begin the posture, you're going to inhale, lower for 3 counts. Almost let the heels come to the back, and exhale, come back to the center. So we're going to inhale, lower for 3 counts. Nice, slow and controlled. And exhale, lift back up. Keeping those knees locked, keeping the toes pointed, really focusing on the core. A strong variation. You can bring the arms right next to the hips, just under the glutes. Inhale, lower for 3, and exhale, lift back to center. Inhale, lower, and exhale, lift. Still another strong variation. You can let that head rest on the mat, focusing on the core, blocking out the knees. Inhale, lower for 3, and exhale, lift back up. Inhale, lower, and exhale, lift. All right, guys, so those 3 strong variations in order to get that workout done. So no matter what body you come in here with, we can definitely help you out any form, fashion. Any questions, comments, or concerns you have, you can comment in below, or you can just ask us at the front desk. Can't wait to see you on the 4 corners of your mat. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.